Welcome to SimplyTrends, and today let's learn how to find new and best-selling products across 2 million Shopify stores with Shopify Product. We provide 6 ways for you to discover best-selling products. Start searching for a product with its title or a piece of description. Title and description is an intuitive way for you to hunt winning products in your niche. If you've got a category in your mind, use type and tag to find products that match your internal interests. You can also start searching with partners you trust with vendor and fulfillment. Let's try bucket hat. In grid view, you can view products in different blocks with useful information. Table view helps you to navigate different metrics at the same time so that you can compare them easily. Each block contains price, publish time, monthly revenue, etc. You can recognize a new and trending product easily with colorful labels. Hover on the product image, and you can find suppliers with the image, find competing products and export products in just a click. Now, let's filter for accurate results. Filters help search for winning products in your niche. You can select Publish Time to search for new products. Set range of price, product monthly orders and revenue to meet your expectations. Last but not least, filter store traffic to find popular products. No market saturation beforehand. SimplyTrends displays numbers of Shopify stores that sell the same product. Switch on broad match to have more related results or remove same stars with dedupe same store. If you are a dropshipper, simply switch on dropshipping only for efficient top-selling products hunting. Sort results sequence with the metrics you need, and reverse with clicks. You may have some top-selling products after filtering and sorting results. If you are a dropshipper, make sure you've switched on dropshipping only to find eligible dropshipping products. Hover the mouse over the product image, and you can find corresponding supplier while exporting the product listings side by side. With Shopify Product, you can find new and top-selling products across Shopify faster than ever, and jumpstart your business strategically. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial video.